Namaskar, my name is Dr. Prashant Sutradhar and I am Assistant Professor at the Department of Chemistry, ICFA University, Tripura. I shall be the course instructor or course in charge of the course Organic Chemistry 5, and the course is made for the BSc third year 5th semester students. Now coming to the course description. This course deals primarily with the detailed information on biomolecules. The course also provides the detailed chemistry of nucleic acid, amino acid, peptide, enzymes, and lipids. Emphasis on the mechanism of action of enzymes, pharmaceutical compounds, the structure, synthesis, and reaction of bases in nucleic acids, and the structure of polynucleotides, example DNA and RNA. The biological importance and structural factors of amino acid, peptides, and proteins will be discussed here. The classification, structure, and therapeutic uses of antipyretic like paracetamol, analgesic like ibuprofen, antimalarial like chloroquine. The universal currency of cellular energy, ATP hydrolysis, and free energy change will be also discussed in this course. Common fatty acids present in oil and fats, hydrogenation of fats and oils, saponification value, acid value, iodine number, reversion, and rancidity will also be there in this course. So what are the objective of this course? This course is aimed to develop on the chemistry for BSc students. This subject has a very good impact in the field of chemistry, though the basics are very much simple and it has a wide range of application in the different fields. So this is a must needed subject for chemistry students. The course is developed such a way that students will be able to skill their knowledge on biomolecules to enable the students to identify nucleic acids, amino acids, peptides, enzymes, lipids, and will be able to know their role. To know the properties of enzymes, pharmaceutical compounds, use them for industrial applications, and hence this will enhance the students' employability opportunities. Learning outcome of this course. Upon successful completion of this course, student will be able to know the structure, classification, and application of biomolecules, to know the chemistry of amino acids, enzyme, and lipids, to meet the need of laboratory courses involving the pharmaceutical compounds. A strong understanding of the concept that come under general chemistry plays a vital role in the study of relativity advanced topic. In addition, we wish to simulate his or her creativity that allows the transposition of the learned concept to the new applications. Course structure. The course structure consists 5 units, which includes nucleic acids, amino acids, peptide and proteins, lipids, energy in biosystems, and pharmaceutical compounds. Further details and lecture-wise plan can be found in the course handout provided to all the students. Regarding the delivery format, the course is blended in nature, which means that physical classroom content and online portions of the course are complementary and have been thoughtfully combined to meet the needs of the learner and the goals of the course. Study materials will be provided to the students in the form of PDF, PPT, and related video links. And there will be activity-based assignment. Learning activities will include discussion forum, demonstration forum, illustration forum, and peer rating. Now, the very much important to know about the assessment. Assessment includes 50% internal assessment and 50% external assessment. Internal assessment is divided into 25% internal one and 25% internal two. Out of 50% external assessment, midterm examination contributes 20% and end term examination contributes 30%. What you can see in the screen is just a rough estimate about the expected participation in the course. I wish 10% student participation in the course. In case of any doubt during the course, I request the concerned students to reach to me physically or via email or via phone call. I shall be always remain available to help out to my best level. Thank you. Thank you all for your kind time.